Hi, my name is Dia. I am a 7th standard student at St. Thomas High School, Kuttikal South Pambadi. I extend my sincere gratitude to all my maths teachers who introduced me to the vast world of mathematics. I wish all my fellow learners of mathematics a very happy National Mathematics Day and hope and pray that many more mathematical geniuses come from our great nation like Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan. Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan, who was one of the greatest Indian mathematician of all times, who was also known as the man who knew infinity, who showcased an extraordinary contribution to mathematical analysis and numbers. On 22nd December 1887, the first cry of Srinivasa Ramanujan was heard at his maternal home, Erode, Madras Presidency, now Tamil Nadu, India, during the British rule. The name Ramanujan means the younger brother of Rama. The devout Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family lived in a small traditional home on Sarangapani, Sannidhi Street in Kumbakonam, which is now converted into a museum. Hailing from Tanjavur district, his father Kuppaswamy Srinivasa Iyengar worked as a clerk in a sari shop, and his mother Komalatamal was a homemaker and sang at a local temple. His three younger brothers died before their first birthday. In December 1889, Ramanujan contracted smallpox and recovered, unlike the 4,000 others who died in Tanjavur around this time. On 1st October 1892, he was enrolled to a local school in Kanjipura, Madras. Then he was moved to Kangyan Primary School in Kumbakonam. He so disliked the school that his family had to enlist a local constable to ensure his attendance at school. He was back to his parents in 6 months. Ramanujan's talent in mathematics began to show as early as his school days. Once his teacher was explaining them the concept where any number divided by itself gives the quotient 1. As an example, the teacher said, if 3 bananas are divided among 3 persons, each will get 1 banana. Ramanujan had everyone surprised by asking, Sir, if no banana is divided among no person, will still everyone get 1 banana? But when we think, this question is baseless to us. But Ramanujan had quoted that 0 divided by 0 can be anything. His mother was instrumental in his upbringing based on strong Tamil Brahmin culture and traditions. In November 1897, just before turning 10, he passed his primary examination in English, Tamil, Geography and Arithmetic with the highest score in his district. In the same year, he entered Town Higher Secondary School and encountered formal mathematics for the first time. In 1903, when Ramanujan was 16, he obtained G.S. Carr's collection of 5,000 theorems titled A Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure and Applied Mathematics. The book is generally acknowledged as a key element in awakening his genius. The next year, Ramanujan independently developed and investigated the Bernoulli numbers and calculated the Euler-Mascheroni constant up to 15 decimal places. When he graduated from the Town Higher Secondary School in 1904, Ramanujan was awarded the K. Ranganatha Rao Prize for Mathematics by his school headmaster Krishnaswamy Iyer. He received a scholarship to study at Government Arts College, Kumbakonam. But he was so intent in mathematics that he could not focus in any other subjects. So he failed in most of them. This made him lose his scholarship. On 14 July 1909, Ramanujan married Janaki Ammal, who was 10 years when they married. On 16 January 1913, Ramanujan wrote to G.H. Hardy, coming from an unknown mathematician, The 9 pages of mathematics made Hardy view Ramanujan's manuscripts as a possible fraud. But later he concluded that Ramanujan was a mathematician of the highest quality and a man of altogether exceptional originality and power. Ramanujan spent nearly 5 years in Cambridge collaborating with Hardy and published part of his findings there. Ramanujan was awarded the Bachelor of Arts by Research degree in March 1916 for his work on highly composite numbers. On 6th December 1917, Ramanujan was elected to the London Mathematical Society. On May 2, 1918, at age 31, Ramanujan became the second Indian and the youngest person to be elected a Fellow of the Royal Society. On 13 October 1918, he was the first person to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. While still in Madras, Ramanujan recorded the bulk of his results in 4 notebooks of loose-leaf paper. The first notebook has 351 pages with 16 organized chapters and some unorganized material. The second has 256 pages in 21 chapters and 100 unorganized pages, and third 33 unorganized pages. In 1987, George Andrews rediscovered a fourth notebook with 87 unorganized pages, the Hardy Ramanujan number 1729. The number 1729 is known as the Hardy Ramanujan number after a famous visit by Hardy to see Ramanujan at a hospital. Hardy had ridden in a cab with the number 1729. He had remarked that the number seems to be a dull and unfavorable omen. But Ramanujan said, it is a very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressible as the sum of 2 cubes in 2 different ways. These are the 2 different ways that the number can be expressed. Generalization of this idea have created the notion of these taxi cab numbers. Come on, let's look at this magic square. This magic square looks like any other normal magic square. But the first speciality of the square is it is formed by this great mathematician of our country, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Let's look at other characteristics of this magic square. Here, all the magic squares are color-coded in different color schemes. In this square, each row is colored in one color and the sum of these numbers in one row is 139. In this square, all the columns are colored in each color and the sum of the numbers in each column is 139. In this square, each diagonal row is colored in one color and the sum of numbers in each diagonal row is 139. In this square, each corner square is colored in one color and the sum of numbers in each corner square is 139. This figure shows the central squares and the sum of numbers in the central square is 139. So we can conclude that the sum of numbers in any row, column, any diagonal, corner squares and central square is 139. Now let us look back at the magic square. Look at the first row, 22, 12, 1887. What is that? And that is the birth date of Srinivasa Ramanujan, 22, 12, 1887. Ramanujan is also known for his mathematical concepts like Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan conjecture, Ramanujan sum, Ramanujan's master theorem, Ramanujan's Sato series. Ramanujan was plagued by health problems throughout his life. His health worsened in England, possibly due to the dietary requirements in his religion and wartime rationing in 1914 to 1918. In 1919, he returned to Kumbakonam when he was diagnosed with tuberculosis and severe vitamin deficiency. In 1920, he died at the age of 32. A 1994 analysis of Ramanujan's medical records and symptoms by Dr. D.A.B. Young concluded that his medical symptoms were close to hepatic amoebiasis than tuberculosis. At the time, if properly diagnosed, amoebiasis was curable. Ramanujan's widow Srimati Janaki Ammal was granted a lifetime pension from Ramanujan's former employer, the Madras Port Trust, and Indian National Science Academy and the state governments of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. He continued to cherish Ramanujan's memory and was active in efforts to increase his public recognition. Ramanujan's home state of Tamil Nadu celebrates 22nd December as State IT Day. Ramanujan IT City is an information technology special economic zone in Chennai that was built in 2011. Stamps picturing Ramanujan were issued by the Government of India in 1962, 2011, 2012 and 2016. This is the stamp released by the government in 1962. This is the stamp released in 2011. This is the 2012 Indian stamp dedicated to the National Mathematics Day and featuring Ramanujan. This is the most recent stamp released by the government in the year 2016. Since Ramanujan's centennial year, his birthday 22nd December is annually celebrated as the Ramanujan Day at the Government Arts College in Kumbakonam where he studied and at the IIT Madras in Chennai. Shastra University, a private university based in Tamil Nadu, has instituted a Shastra Ramanujan Prize of US $10,000 to be given annually to a mathematician not exceeding age 32 for outstanding contributions in an area of mathematics influenced by Ramanujan. House of Ramanujan Mathematics, a museum of his life and work, is also on its campus. Shastra purchased and renovated the house where Ramanujan lived at Kumbakonam. In 2011, on the 125th anniversary of his birth, the Indian government declared that 22nd December will be celebrated as the National Mathematics Day. The then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh also declared that 2012 will be celebrated as the National Mathematics Year. He credited his acumen to his family goddess Namagiri Thayar of Namakkal. He had visions of scrolls of complex mathematical content unfolding before his eyes. He often said, "An equation for him has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God." The main objective of celebrating Mathematics Day is to inculcate a positive attitude towards learning mathematics for the coming younger generation. Happy National Mathematics Day. Thank you.